Depending on which functions you want, you have the choice between the free cloud license, basic, or the paid, advanced when using the Testo Saveris.net. With the advanced license, the cloud can be extended with various functions such as extended measurement and communication interval, comparison of multiple measurement points, and automatic generation of a report. To book the advanced license, open the Saveris.net and log in with your access data. Then open Basic License in the header. If you already have data loggers with the paid license, it will also say Advanced License at this point. Now select the number of all data loggers that you have included in your account. A combination of data loggers with and without paid license is not possible. Then select the term of the license. You can choose between 1, 2, or 3-year terms. If you do not want the license to renew automatically after the selected term expires, uncheck the Automatic License Renewal box. However, keep in mind that data will be lost when your license expires. Then select License. If you would like to use the additional alarming via SMS, now select the number of SMS packages. Finish your booking. For first-time bookings, the window for specifying the invoice data will now open. Fill them in and confirm your booking. Advanced license activation may take up to 5 minutes.